We have repeatedly complained about the issue of simonekpa. He is in Finland. The Finnish government are giving him all the support, and he's doing what he's doing. Comments he's making, people are being killed, and nothing is being done. And this is democracy. If the European Union is the one supporting democracy, and this is happening and they're not taking action, then they don't mean well for Nigeria. We have said that in clear terms. We need to diplomatically find means of getting him out of whatever it is that he's doing. He must be arrested, he must be prosecuted. Look at it from the other way. Assuming he is in Nigeria and he's doing that to the Finnish government, you think the European Union will allow that happen? They definitely will not. So why are they allowing him to do what he's doing?
The defense headquarters has applauded the arrest of separatist leader simonekpa by Finnish police. The Director of Defense Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, and the Director of Defense Information, Brigadier General Tukur Gusau, in their separate statement, described the arrest as a key victory in the anti-terror fight. The spokesperson said the Chief of Defense Staff, CDS General Christopher Musa, has expressed happiness over Ekpa's arrest. CDS is happy with the arrest in Finland, with the hope this will be a step towards his extradition to Nigeria so that he will face justice, Gusau said on Thursday. Similarly, Buba said that Ekpa's arrest is an indication that the international community is in synergy with Nigeria in its efforts to fight terrorism. The CDS has always called for the arrest of simonekpa following his deep involvement in foiling terrorism in SE Nigeria. Buba said, "We are delighted about his arrest and glad that the international community is partnering with Nigeria in a fight against terrorism." The defense headquarters had on March 23rd declared Ekpa wanted for inciting violence in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He was declared wanted alongside 96 other terrorists across the country. On Thursday, NaijaNews TV reported that the Finland authorities arrested Ekpa alongside 4 others on suspicion of terror-related activities, including incitement to violence and terrorism financing. The separatist leader was accused of using social media platforms to spread separatist propaganda linked to IPOB, a group advocating for the cessation of southeastern Nigeria. The court alleged that the offences dated back to August 23, 2021. Meanwhile, Finland authorities have also investigated Ekpa in the past for alleged financial crimes, including the collection of funds through questionable means. We'll continue to keep a close eye on this story for more updates. Kindly drop your opinion in the comment section below. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.